Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll be looking at drawing bar charts. Let's go. Here is the table we are going to make use of in drawing our bar chart. We are going to be making use of the country column and the total column to draw our bar chart. In our subsequent video, we'll be making use of gold, silver, and bronze to draw either composite bar chart or composite column chart. We start the drawing straight away. What we'll do is we are going to highlight the column for the country, including the column title. Hold the control button on your keyboard. You also highlight the total column, including the title, while you are holding the control button of your keyboard. So you highlight. Having done this, you can now release your hand. Go to Insert tab. Then from the Insert tab, you see the chart group. From the chart group, there are various charts you can draw from there. You go to the icon for column and bar. So you click on the arrow next to it. We have the 2D sections, the 3D sections, the column section, and the bar section. We are going for 3D. So we click on the 3D clustered bar. We have our chart drawn. Having drawn this, we are going to format the chart. I want to edit the title to Olympic Games Paris 2024 total medals for the country. So I highlight, copy, then double click to place my cursor inside the text box and paste it. Hit the enter to move the total to the next line, and then I edit it to medals. I can format the text. So I change the color to black and make it bold. This country too can be formatted. Change it to black, make it bold. Also, the horizontal values can be formatted, darker and bold. You can see we are getting there gradually. And if you look at this, the bars have the same color. You can change them to different colors. You click inside the bar, then click on the particular one you want to select and change. You click on it again, right click, select format data point. Then you have the fill, solid fill. Then you see it has automatically changed to black. I want to change it to green. Then click on the next one, change it to blue. Go to the next one. I change that one to red. Go to the next one, change it to, I think that's maroon color. Go to the next bar, change it to purple. Go to the next bar, change it to yellow. The same way to any color of your choice. This one is faded. It's not bright enough. Let me have that. Then the next one, I change it to dark blue. I can leave this like this. So that is that one. We are done with that. This is rectangular bars. We can change it to any other shape. So I right click on it, select format data series. Then you see it's already boxed. You can change it to pyramid, change it to partial pyramid, change it to cylinder. You can change it to full cone. You can change it to partial cone. So we are still leaving it as our box. Then we close the dialog box. Then the next thing is these horizontal values. I select it. So I double click on it. So it gives me this. That is format axis. The maximum given to us is 140. Look at it here. You can change it to any value of your choice, but it can't be less than the highest value you have in the total. I'm changing it to 130, and that is for that one. And the next thing is this value. Germany has a total of 33. If you like, you can put the total there. And to do that, we click on this, then right click and select add data label. Then you now select add data label. You click on it, you see Germany got 33 medals altogether, and then United States 126. You see it written there. And that's this for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Join us in our next videos for more on Microsoft Excel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.